Hello my millionaires. As you can see today, in my kitchen I'll be making the millionaire's curry chicken today, and I'll show you how I do that. Hello millionaires, hello. Welcome to my kitchen. Thank you for being here. Today I'm going to show you how to make the Jamaican millionaire's curry chicken with chicken foot and white rice, steamed white rice. And I'll take you through the steps with me. I'll show you all the ingredients that I use. I have already cleaned my chicken and cut up my chicken foot. We love this in Jamaica. We eat a lot of chicken foot, and I'll show you exactly what I use to season my chicken. For the dry ingredients, I do not have any fresh ginger today. I'll be using some ground ginger, curry powder, a bit of paprika, and onion powder, chicken seasoning. I quite like this seasoning. It's by Knorr. It's called Aromat, and it's all-purpose savory seasoning. It's quite good. And I've got some garlic powder and ginger, garlic, pimento seasoning. So these are all my dry ingredients, which I'll be using that to season my chicken in a minute. But before I get to that, let me just explain what I'll be using in my curry chicken today. So I've got carrots, which is peeled and diced, 3 medium carrots. I've got 2 sprigs of thyme, and I've got 1 scotch bonnet pepper, 3 cloves of garlic, which is chopped, and did I say escellion before? 2 sweet peppers, medium, 1 red and 1 green, and 2 Irish potatoes, which has been peeled and diced. And these will go into my chicken after I have seasoned with the dry ingredients over here and put it on the cooker. So these will go in after, but you will see exactly what I do step by step. Okay? 1 tablespoon of the ginger, garlic and pimento. 1 tablespoon of the ground ginger, 1 tablespoon of the onion powder. I'll also be using fresh onion, one large fresh onion powder, and paprika. It depends, you don't have to use paprika, and sometimes if I have turmeric, I do use turmeric as well, so you can do the half tablespoon of paprika. And then you have this seasoning, the Aromat, 1 tablespoon. There we go. And then the chicken seasoning, 1 tablespoon. cover my seasoning. And the garlic powder wasn't opening, so I need to find myself a scissor to get the garlic powder. 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, okay? So now they're all on the chicken. I'm just gonna rub it in. Make sure you get this seasoning covering all the chicken pieces, yeah? And then I'm just gonna leave this for a little while to marinate. You can do this overnight and put it in your fridge. You know, it comes out even better. I have a lot more taste, a lot more flavor. It does taste a lot better. So that's for now. I'll be back. Welcome back. And the chicken with the dry seasoning has been sitting there for over an hour. So I am ready to cook my chicken. Now I'm going to be I've got the pot on the cooker, as you can see, and I make the pot get as hot as possible, and then I put 2 tablespoons of oil in the pan. Yeah, I don't want more than that. I don't like cooking with a lot of oil. And when that oil gets very hot, what I do, if you realize I did not mention putting the curry powder on my chicken while I wasn't ready to cook, because I don't normally do that. I prefer to burn my curry powder, and then I add my chicken to the pan, and then I coat the chicken with the curry which is in the pan, and that's what I do. So for this chicken, I think and I did not mention to you guys that the chicken is about 2 pounds. I'll be preparing approximately 2 pounds of chicken, and so that measurement for all the dry ingredients would go for 2 pounds of chicken, okay? So now I will put 2 tablespoons of curry powder in the pan and wait for that to get really hot and the curry starts to burn a bit. And make sure that it's all combined with the cooking oil so it doesn't turn too dark. The curry doesn't get too dark. I'll show you what the inside the pan looks like with the curry powder, yeah? And what I do is I continue stirring until it's all combined in the cooking oil. The next thing I will be adding would be my chopped garlic. You know, so I love when the garlic goes in with the curry powder and the cooking oil. So now the curry has started to burn. I can see it's changed color a bit. I'm going to add my chicken. I stir to ensure that all the chicken is coated with that curry. Wow, it smells so nice already. I can smell the garlic and all the spices coming through. So now I'll show you what the chicken looks like when it's fully coated. Okay, so I now cover this pot, and I'm going to leave it there for about approximately 20 minutes or so, and then I'll come back and check on it. So I'll be back. So I've come back to check and to stir the chicken again, and it's smelling good and it's looking good. Thumbs up. Now while that is going on, I'm just going to start preparing my white rice. I've just put 3 cups of rice in my pot, and I'll be washing this rice now and adding 3 cups of water to this rice. And the same cup that I used to measure the rice, that's the same cup I will use to measure the water. So 3 cups of rice, 3 cups of water. Welcome back, my millionaires. So I've just put the rice on the cooker, and to these 3 cups of rice, 3 cups of water, I have actually added 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of butter. So yes, so that's where I'm at. And now I'm just gonna cover the rice and let it stay there and come to a boil. After that, which I'll turn the cooker down and let it steam. So now we're back to our curry chicken, looking lovely and nice. So it's about time that we add the remainder of the seasoning. Now I'll add my large chopped onion. I'll add my thyme. I'll add the carrots. And the sweet peppers. I'm adding all of that now. Carrot, sweet pepper, onion, thyme, and just a slice of the scotch bonnet pepper because I don't want it too hot. And the scallion, which I just slice into a few pieces, make it a bit smaller. So that's all in the pot. I'll just find my sweet peppers on this board. Make sure that they're all in. Such a lovely smell in this kitchen. It's gorgeous. Then I just see all the colors: green, orange, red, beautiful, yellow. I'm not going to add, I do not add water to my curry chicken unless I really have to. So I normally cook it on low, and the chicken itself will add all the juices. For me, it tastes a lot better, so I leave that there, and I'll show it to you again in another maybe 20 minutes. See how much juice has come on this chicken. Look at it. Beautiful curry chicken. Beautiful. Welcome back. Welcome back. The rice came to a boil, and so I've turned it down as low as I can to leave it there to steam. And the chicken has now started cooking properly. You can see there's a lot of gravy. As I said, I do not put water on my curry chicken. I turn it down as low as possible and leave it there to steam until it makes its own gravy. And for me, that taste is a lot better. And guys, if you are cooking and you think that maybe you taste it and you think, oh, I think I need more pepper, or I think I need more onion powder or garlic powder, just add a bit more. It's to your taste, you know, it's to your taste. So you just add a bit more. Okay. I've now added the Irish potatoes, which they will add as a thickener to my gravy. So I've just mixed them in, and I'm gonna cover again and leave it to simmer. So my chicken has been cooking now for at least maybe 40 minutes, I think. Yeah, about 40 minutes. There it is, so beautiful. So I'll cover it and leave it again. Wow, the flavors, the smell, it's crazy. I've just tasted it. On this camera, I don't think it actually shows the brightness of the curry powder. It doesn't show how bright it is, the bright yellow. And I think that is down to the camera and the lighting that I'm actually using. But it has the perfect curry color. And the rice is almost cooked at the moment. So dinner is almost ready. Thank you so much for watching. Dinner is now served. Enjoy. Bye.